Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Intellij. So already I got installed, but I'm going to just download and make a project on it. How I will show you how to do the Hello World project on Intellij. So I will provide the description link due to some inconvenience reason. So I couldn't able to show the installation. I have some issues. So already I have installed here. You can see here, but anyhow I will provide the link in the description. You can go to Chrome browser and you can install. Now I'm going to show you how to do Intellij, the first Hello World project in Intellij. So okay guys, without wasting time, let's get started. Click on Double click on it. Just we start installation, then do the uh, project. Yeah, click on new project. If you want to install JDK, you can install, but its default I have got already installed. So I'll click on that Oracle rating and I'll click on next, and make sure you should check this box. Yeah, after that click on next, and let's type our project name as Hello World. Yeah, I'll change the project location. If you want, you can keep it as default, but I'm going to change in D drive. You can create a new folder. I'm going to create a new folder. In that I'm going to save the project Hello World project. Intellij project, then click on OK. Yeah, you can see here in new folder I have created Intellij project. Click on OK, then click on finish. The project edited, not agree with create. Yeah, it's already it has been created. It's creating workspace. Yeah, you can see here, or this is our basic window. You can see here. Yeah, now we are going to type here the code, the first Hello World project. Yeah, system.out.println. We're going to pass a string called hello world. Then put semicolon and click enter and save. Project has been saved. Press Ctrl S to save the project. Then click on this green button. This is the need to run the project. Click on run, or else you can click on Ctrl F. So you can click Shift plus F10 key to run the project. Building the project, you can see here showing some time to build the hello world project. Take some time. Please wait for. Yeah, you can see here our project has been working completely fine. The project of hello world what I passed, the showing output hello world. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel Light Effect. So don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you guys for watching. We'll meet in another video. Thank you.